This is a 2016 Ram 1500 crew cab, Bighorn, blue over gray interior, power windows, locks, and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, remote start, traction control, satellite radio, power windows, locks, heated power mirrors. Let's look at the rear seat. Aluminum wheels, backup sensors, receiver hitch, spray-in bed liner, backup camera, tonneau cover, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a diesel engine, so it's got torque. Like all pre-owned vehicles, AutoNation Chevrolet, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.